Now, the other very important part of interacting with API is this toolbox over here on the left pane. If I click on this tab, I will get all of these actions here. Check it out. I can drag stuff from here into the flow. As you guys saw, we did the multiplication. If I want to do another math test, we can do a addition, for example. We can drag it here. Okay? And if I want to add another miscellaneous step, I can do things like custom code, but I want to do a report message action, and I will drag it here. Okay? We'll interact with those in a little bit. So here you just pick your random activities, whether you want string manipulations, system stuff. It's pretty easy. I've noticed that UFT has made it very user-friendly so that you don't need too much technical knowledge to be able to operate this. It's kind of just very intuitive, and you just interact with the GUI and do what you need. Okay, so that's those.
The simplest way to develop an application for an Android device is called MIT App Inventor 2. App Inventor was first provided by Google based on some work done at MIT. Now it's being maintained by MIT, and it's in its second version, hence the App Inventor 2. It includes a visual designer to put your controls on the screen, and a graphic programmer that allows you to create logic for your application without having to type any code. Sometimes you might have to type the name of a variable or the name of an image file that you want to use, but everything else is done with point and click. It's beyond the scope of this course to do so, but you can actually use App Inventor with Lego Mindstorms in order to use App Inventor to control robots. It's one of the things that's often done inside classroom environments in which teachers are teaching elementary and high school kids the basics of programming, because it's so great to be able to tap a button on the screen and make a physical device run around the room. App Inventor is web-based. It works on Windows, Macintosh, and Linux. The setup for connecting to the emulator or connecting to your device is different based on which operating system you're using. In this course, we're going to look at how to set it up for Macintosh. Before we do everything we need to do in order to be able to run on the emulator and/or an Android device, let's go ahead and take a look at how easy it is to build a Hello World in App Inventor, and then we'll come back to the installation process.